How does the map provide additional support for a central idea of the passage? Okay, so the central idea right above here on the last question, he developed the telegraph and it connected people across the US and across the world. Let's go up and look at the map. In this case, we're looking at the map, not the graph. So I don't care about the graph for the answer here. I care about the map. So the map gives me what? It shows me where the telegraph lines were. And yeah, they're going all over the world, right? So this says if the graph shows how the number of messages sent grew quickly, this shows the ultimate expansion across the world. So the breadth of coverage here, that's the idea of this graph. So let's go back and see what answer choice matches that. By demonstrating that Morse's telegraph system greatly exceeded the limitations of previous long-distance communications. Okay, that's not saying anything about being global, but remember the original idea was limited to like the hilltops, nearby hilltops. Global is greatly exceeding that. That I think is a fair or valid inference or assumption, or not an inference, but a restatement. So yeah, I think, and they do mention it's long distance. So that looks good. I'm going to put a soft check on that for now and see if we can find a better answer. By indicating that Morse was lacking foresight by seeking a patent only in North America. No, he actually sought a patent in England. So that's false. By proving that Gale's advice helped Morse extend the telegraph's range much further than first thought possible. Okay, proving right away is an extreme word. You might not think it's extreme, but proving versus disproving is black and white. This exam is designed more to weigh the nuances, the pros and the cons of each idea, not prove it black and white. So right away, I think that's going to be a real problem for this question, this answer. And Gale's advice helped Morse extend. So Gale's advice did help, extend the range because he was able to, power it up to go over longer ranges. But that's not really central. It's a minor idea. It's part of the evidence or development of the storyline, not the central idea. So this is not really answering the question, and proving is too extreme. H. By showing that the Morse telegraph had a surprisingly immense influence on the world. So immense influence, that means how did it affect people? Did it make them happy, sad, able to work more? What was the influence? No, that map says nothing about that. You might infer those things from the map, but the map itself does not show that. E is the right answer. It demonstrates that the telegraph system greatly exceeded the limitations of previous long-distance semaphore systems.